recorded a video. Basically, we all are busy with the forthcoming exams. I hope the preparation of all the students are in full swing. And just to give right dose of motivation, we have a very special person with us today, M. Aditya. And let me tell you, he topped the foundation examination which was held recently. He topped Berhampur. Let's hear from him, his experiences and how did we prepare. I'm sure all those who are preparing for foundation examination would look forward to listening to his version. So let's get straight to Aditya. Aditya, first and foremost, huge congratulations on your achievement. You're a Berhampur topper. I guess around 60 people cleared, and being the topper among 60 students, how did it feel?
I felt it very normal, to be honest, because I believe that if we studied properly, then we might achieve the result in a very good place. It was a normal for me.
Wow, how's it for modesty? He topped Berhampur and he says it just felt normal. Okay, then my first question, like after learning your reaction, why did you choose commerce?
Yes, I had a desire to be a chartered accountant when I was wondering which stream should I choose at the end of my 10th year or 10th class. I was wondering which stream should I choose, but I had the passion and the dream to become a chartered accountant, and there is always a thing that if we get a better percentage we are ought to choose a science stream. But then after a huge discussion or in my family we realized that even if we able to do or if we choose science in +2, if you have the desire to become a chartered accountant, instead of choosing science, why don't you choose commerce so that you get a better foundation and basics, and so I chose commerce.
Very good. He made a very pertinent point. Just because you scored high percentage in 10 doesn't necessarily mean that you have to go for science. If your dream is to become a chartered accountant, it's always better to go for commerce. That way you will have a solid foundation. Right then, after having chosen commerce, you chose Dynamic Commerce Academy. Any particular reason behind choosing this particular institute?
Yes, ma'am. There is always a myth that I actually believe that in where or in science or when we pursue science in +2, the students are very hardworking or they are very much concerned about the syllabus rather than any other unnecessary things. But when it comes to commerce, the students are very much involved in the other things rather than on studies. So I was very, not me, my family members were very worried if we choose commerce, then there is a higher chances or probability of him being a failure. So I have to mention here my uncle, whose name is M. Shyamal Rao. He was very much tensed about it, and he was doing some kind of research to get so that he can get a better education or to get a better education. So, and my mother also knew that there is an institute here which is teaching related to commerce, something related to commerce. She knew that there is an institution which is teaching commerce, and my uncle contacted or met Sri Ramnath sir, and he advised us to join Dynamics Commerce Academy. So I finally ended up there.
Okay. Any special experiences of Dynamic Commerce Academy, because you cleared foundation from studying there? So, what do you have to say about it? How does it, differentiate from other institutes?
I can say that I will not say that I made the choice. I don't know. I didn't make the choice that I want to join in that academy, but it is God's grace, or I consider it as a blessing that I joined there. Not when I witnessed the result of CMA Foundation. From the very beginning day or from the first day, I realized that it was the best institution, because apart from the studies, the Shri Krishnamurti sir has given us so much knowledge about the outer world and about the moral education that we are supposed to have, and the discipline which is required to pursue the plus two commerce, and the discipline and the discipline and moral that we are required to have to pursue the chartered accountant or cost accountant. And moreover, he was more than a teacher to me or to all of us who were studying in that academy. And before even I could rely on my teacher, I heard so many, not rumors, those are the facts or truths, that everybody said that there is nothing to worry about if you are studying in DCS, so which was a big boost for me.
Wonderful. He made yet another pertinent point. He doesn't say it is best because he taught. He said that he found that it is indeed the best on the very first day. Because the way sir deals with the students, I think he imparts moral education too, which is very important. The education encompasses just syllabus and all that. He doesn't just concentrate on ensuring that the students pass. He also ensures that their growth as a person is also commensurate with their growth in their career. It's very important to be a very good person apart from being a good professional. So I think we have to give him a lot of credit for someone so young. He has such maturity. Very well done. Now I would take you back to your plus 2 result. Were you a little disappointed on not securing rank? Probably you expected a rank there.
To be honest, I didn't expect it. From the very beginning of my exam schedule, where the first week exam was English, I was devastated by what I did actually, because I completely messed up in my first exam, and the rest were all commerce papers, and another 4 papers were commerce ones, and another one is Hindi. And I was confident about Hindi, and the rest were sir taught us very well, so I also thought that I was prepared well. But when it comes to English, even our English has taught us very well, and he also had the expectations that he can do wonders or he can achieve the rank. But I don't know what happened. I scored the least, or we can say just pass marks, around 41 out of 100. And the remaining subjects I got good marks, but English I secured 41 out of 100, which probably because of which I couldn't able to achieve the rank.
Okay. Dear students, takeaway number 3. Now each and every answer that he is giving, I think there's always an underlying message in that. He said, I messed up. He didn't blame anyone else. He said that I messed up. And going by his answers, I think you can see that it's just a one-time thing. It can happen with the best of the people. As they say, form is temporary, class is permanent. Very good then. What are your future plans now?
To be honest, unexpectedly, or it was a normal, but when I heard that I became a topper, it was an unexpected one. I believe whenever we hear such things, those are unexpected. But I want to maintain a consistency, because Krishnamurti sir has told us he used to conduct tests in every weekend or during on Sundays. Everybody gets top or somebody gets top on some day, but one should get top on every exam. So that he actually glorified about or specified or highlighted about the consistency that we should maintain. Otherwise, they will call it a luck. So I am very much worried about how I will maintain or how I will achieve the things which I am thinking about.
Wonderful. Very, very good. I think this is probably one of the best interviews I've ever conducted, because I'm really mesmerized and I'm really stunned and surprised to see the level of maturity that this boy has shown. That he said that you should be consistent. You can't just rest on your laurels. You should keep on continuing it, because we have seen quite a few cases where I'm rather saddened to say that they were flash in the pans. Any number of people who secured rank in plus 2, but their journey after that was not something to write home about. Nevertheless, dear students, hope you listen to each and every word that he said, and I hope it will definitely be very helpful in your preparations. I hope you'll draw inspiration from this very special boy. And I must say the entire credit goes to Mr. Krishnamurthy, who is a wonderful teacher and the founder of Dynamic Commerce Academy. So that indeed is the place. If you are looking for the a proper institute to enroll in, Dynamic Commerce Academy should be the first choice for you all. Thank you so much.